Today is the last day of the Lunar New Year or Tet holiday here in Saigon. I'm gonna head into District 1 to go see what the streets are looking like. But first I need to order myself a Grab bike. I haven't used Grab in a long time and it's Tet holiday, so it might be a bit more expensive. So let's see how much it costs. Let's go to Bui Vien Street. It's gonna cost me 69k to get into Bui Vien, which is actually really expensive. It is the last day of Tet holiday, but normally it would be around 30-40k to get in. But so let's book it. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. I just arrived onto Bui Vien Street. I'm going to take this mask off, change to my white mask. I recommend if you're driving around the city, these masks thick with filters, they're pretty good. Otherwise I can just wear a thin mask when I'm walking around. I'm going to swap over. Got to wear it when walking around the city still. Anyway, that Grab guy was nice. He got me here just on time. It was only 70k, but I gave him 100k because I wanted to take a few videos of him. You can see in a cinematic video later. So I'm going to take you around. I'm at Bui Vien Street now. We're going to walk around, then maybe head to Ben Thanh Market and Nguyen Hue that you just saw. We passed, it was really busy. So let's have a little walk around, see what Bui Vien is like during pandemic time at the end of Tet. So this is walking on Bui Vien Street. As soon as I got off the Grab bike, at least 3 guys were shouting at me, clapping, trying to get my attention. Who knows what they're trying to sell me, but I didn't go for it. So it's not too busy. There's quite a lot of nice Tet decorations out. They've got the flowers and everything going on. It's pretty quiet. There is not many people at the bars and stuff like that. Only a bit of music, but we're gonna walk up and down and see what else is open. This is Bui Vien Street. I'm sure the businesses here have had a really tough time during pandemic. This place is super central for tourists to be here. We were here on New Year's, Western New Year, on 31st of December, and it was packed, but it was only packed with domestic, like with Vietnamese locals. So there haven't been tourists here in a long time. Tourism is supposed to open up in the next few months. That will be a big difference for Bui Vien Street here. But right now it's looking pretty quiet and pretty local. Chào chó. Just behind me over here is a classic Bui Vien and street snack, some banh mi, like a bread sandwich with some different filling. Might stop and get it later. That's a classic must try in Vietnam. So that is the busier part of Bui Vien behind me. There's a few bars and restaurants playing music, a few people sitting out. It is a bit early, it's not even 6 p.m. yet, so obviously it'll be busier later, but looks still pretty dead. I'm gonna keep walking this way, head towards Ben Thanh Market and see what's going on there. So I left the craziness of Bui Vien and already it's a bit more chill and quiet. I'm just gonna jump over the road to quite a popular park. If you stay at hostels around Bui Vien, probably you spent some time hanging out here. Let's see if there are people hanging out or playing in the park for the last day of Tet, and then we'll head to Ben Thanh Market before it gets too dark. A group of guys behind me over there, they're playing quite a popular park sport called Dakao. It's kind of like a shuttlecock, like from in badminton, but with a weight on the end, and you just kick it between you, maybe try and do a rally or just do it for fun. So you see that's quite popular in parks. Rollerblades. Ooh. It's actually quite chill in the park, not too many people, just sitting and relaxing. So I'm gonna head to Ben Thanh Market now. Let's take a walk. I'm just walking from Bui Vien Street to Ben Thanh Market, just down one road. Take less than 10 minutes to do that. So they're pretty close, easy to walk. It's just gone 6 p.m. now, so it's a little bit cooler. So nice time to be walking around, not too hot, not too busy. Lots of people sitting out. Ben Thanh Market, another one that's a very touristy spot. We'll have to see if there's still any life to it. Must have been really difficult during pandemic times, so let's go check out Ben Thanh. That's how you gotta do it. Hand in the air, so hopefully they can see you. That's how to cross the street in Vietnam. Keep walking, don't step back. That's the secret. Well, that is Ben Thanh Market behind me. It is 6 p.m. and I think it's definitely closed. I was too late for this one. Wasn't gonna buy anything, but I wanted to show you guys around. It's probably looking pretty quiet anyway, so not the worst thing to miss. I think I'm gonna do one more trip, go to Nguyen Hue, which we saw was really busy earlier. I think it's a flower festival for Tet holiday still going on, so we're gonna check that one out to finish off this one. I'm walking through these slightly sketchy looking alleys. Not the best, even people driving down them a bit, but this is the quickest way to get to Nguyen Hue. There's loads of construction, so sometimes this is the best that you get. And this is the traffic on the other side. Now walking on the top of Nguyen Hue, the most popular walking street here in Saigon. Looking quite busy. Let's see what it's like when I get there. So it's actually really packed here on the Nguyen Hue street. I guess for the flower festival mainly, there were a ton of people, so didn't want to stick around too much. I've almost walked to the end of the Nguyen Hue street now, so I'm gonna pick up a grab bike to head back to Thao Dien. If you want to see what Thao Dien streets are like, you can check out this video for the walking tour of Thao Dien district during Tet holiday too. And feel free to like and subscribe to the channel to stay tuned for future content. Take care and see you in the next one.